and stuff, and we're here installing a Titan tank. Jared here is going to explain how you do this. We're doing a what? Fill
neck.
The fill neck?
Drilling the hole in the side of the quarter panel. It's always usually going to be in this quarter panel because of where the fill hose is. It's going to run along the back here and have to come up. So usually in this first panel, as you see, we have any trim that you may have removed.
Okay, so we have two panels that usually goes in this first.
Well, it depends what kind of van. Cargo will be metal.
Yeah.
You might have a trim piece. You might have just a piece of styrofoam board or plastic board that runs along here. Either way, you need to get to the metal in the door.
Okay, let's go through the door for the thing. So the hose runs along the bottom here, up through the bottom and across in there. That's how we did that one. You can each one's custom. You can do it the way you want generally, but their majority are always the same like this.
So we have a 4.5-inch hole saw.
4.5-inch hole saw.
You do have a trace right here. It's not important where you drill the hole yet. What's important is the little holes around it after you drill the big hole. So just make sure that, you know, you're gonna have this top hole, which is gonna hold the faceplate, needs to be below this crease right here. So anywhere around there will do. I've already made my center punch hole.
So basically it's got to line up with the pillar in the middle in there.
Yeah, with the open space that you just saw.
So is there a way to measure or to get that exact, or?
Depending on the length of your van, it will be different. So you'll have to, this is very thin. You can reach your hand in there, tap on the outside and feel where it is. So mine's kind of a rough measurement. You can stick your hand through the door and you can really feel where you want to be. So you have this whole area. This is going to sit. So there is no exact measurement. I'm going to put this one right about here. That's kind of where you want to be.
Right about center.
Right about center. This makes it easy to get to the connections and whatnot.
Okay, so they can figure out on their own if they're installing this
Yeah.
to try to line it up to center of that pillar hole.
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly.